Greetings everyone. As you saw by the title, we're out today to talk about the Arkel TrailRider trunk bag. We're joining you again from my good friend Ted Klosky's studio, Maple Grove Studios. So anybody looking for a good photographer in the Windsor area, look up Ted Klosky. I will put his name on the bottom of the screen. Does really good photography work of all kinds. He's really involved in the theater here in Windsor. So huge shout out to Ted and a huge thank you to Ted as well. Thanks a lot, brother. Appreciate it. All right, like I said, we came out to talk about the Arkel TrailRider trunk bag. The reason I kind of wanted this bag to start with, there's nothing wrong with my Bontrager MIK trunk bag, but with the Great Divide mountain bike route and the roughness of the trail, I'm trying to eliminate anything that could break. While the MIK system has been pretty foolproof for me, it is possible that the plastic on it could break. So this is a Velcro attached bag, as you'll see, and I'm not really worried about that failing. So the other thing that really attracted me to the Arkel bags was that they're made out of the same material as my frame bag, and my Rincon top tube bag, and then my new Alamo top tube bag will be the same. This is all that EcoPack in a wolf gray color, and it's awesome. EcoPack, as I've mentioned in other videos, they use recycled plastic water bottles. For every yard of fabric, I believe 20 bottles are used, so that's absolutely amazing. So we're gonna get into the specs right now, so let's do it. All right, guys, we're just gonna get into the specs on this while we're looking at the bag here, kind of going over a few things. So the minimum rack width requirement is 3.15 inches or 80 millimeters. The weight of the bag itself is 1.46 pounds, and it is 8 to 11 liters in volume, depending on whether you use the expansion space that the bag has. It's made out of really durable materials, as I've already mentioned. Okay, so as I said, it's made out of the same materials as the Rogue Panda stuff, the EcoPack. The Wolf Gray material happens to be made out of a EcoPack EPXL 400D, and it's used with making all, when it's made, they don't, during the dyeing process, it's done in a more ethically way so that it's not contaminating waters and stuff like that. So really good product. I'm glad they do that. As I've already mentioned, it has the YKK waterproof coil zippers, integrated nylon rain cover, as you will see. And it is a Canadian company. I should have mentioned that right off the bat, guys. But the bag itself is made in Vietnam, so keep that in mind. Okay, guys, let me tell you something about Arkel right off the bat. They are a Canadian company. They're based out of Sherbrooke, Quebec. So that is really attractive to me. I'm really interested in working with Arkel, hopefully in the future. If you're watching this at all, Arkel, would love to be a brand ambassador. Yeah, that's definitely a thing. I'm very proud to be a Canadian. The fact that Arkel is a Canadian company really means a lot to me. Not only that, they're making a real effort to use recycled materials. Every year that goes by, it becomes more so the case. So that is a really good thing. And then another thing I learned that I really liked about Arkel is that at their buildings in Quebec, they really tried to help people with challenges. So people with learning disabilities and stuff like that, they have them involved in the final process of the bags with getting different things put together and stuff like that. So it's really nice to see that they are involved in the community and helping people get out there in the community and feel involved in part of the community as well. So good on you, Arkel, for doing such a great thing. Okay, guys, we're gonna wrap this up. It's not a long video because I just got the bag, so my review is just based on initial thoughts. The fact that the materials are the same as my Rogue Panda stuff gives me a lot of confidence that this stuff's gonna hold up well. No issues with my other trunk bag at all. I've gone through several different trunk bags, the Ortlieb, the Bontrager, and now the Arkel. The other bags were totally fine. It's just that they attach by dedicated mounting systems that are kind of made out of plastic, right? So with the Arkel bag attaching by Velcro, just a little more confidence that that Velcro is not going to fail. Not that I've had any issues with the MIK system at all, but like I said, very confident going forward with this bag. And of course, there will be reviews to follow as I use it. At the end of the year, I'll give a full-on review as far as the durability and how everything held up, so stay tuned for that. Like I said, keep an eye out for further reviews on the Arkel TrailRider Bag. We'll definitely be doing them. But other than that, thanks for watching, guys. If you made it this far, I really appreciate it. If you wouldn't mind hitting that thumbs up, I'd appreciate that too as well. But other than that, thanks for watching the video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Cheers.